Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power seats are not working. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin, so just behind this cover here is the fuse box. Now to access it you'll have to disassemble this first. So you have this one cover here, you want to pop it out, this is the one. Then you have this step here, you have to pop that out. Once you've done that, then you want to pop out this plastic cover, and then in the end you want to remove the cover from the fuse box, and then you will access the fuses. It's a bit complicated, but that's just the way it is. So the two fuses to check, fuse number 44 is this one right here, and then the fuse number 45, this one here. So these are the two things to check. And if these are good, next step is to check the power seat switch, check the wiring and electrical connections, and in the end check the motor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.